conversation, a stomachache.
Tom, what's the matter? You don't look well.
I have a severe stomachache.
Word. Severe. Meaning. Very bad, intense. Example. He suffered a severe head injury. Word. Ache. Meaning. Pain. Example. My thumb has really been aching since I shut the door on it.
For how long have you been having this pain?
For the past 3 days.
You mean it's persistent?
Word. Persistent. Meaning. Continuing, carrying on. Example. He is one of the government's most persistent critics.
Yes.
Don't neglect it. You may have appendicitis or a stone in the kidney.
Word. Appendicitis. Meaning. Inflammation of the appendix. Example. There is no one test that will diagnose appendicitis with certainty.
Don't frighten me.
Go and consult a doctor. I hope it's nothing serious.
I hope not. I'll go for a checkup.
If you need any help, just give me a call.